Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, NexTutorial, and in today's video I'm gonna show you the steps on how to factory reset or hard reset your Lenovo tablet. The model number on this one is T as in Tom, B as in boy, 8504, F as in Frank. With this tablet you will need two buttons to perform the factory reset, which are located on the right side of the tablet, which are the power and the volume up key. You need to press these two buttons at the same time, and as soon as the tablet powers on, you want to release just the power and keep holding the volume up key until you get to the recovery screen. The next step you want to use the volume buttons on the side to navigate to where it says wipe data factory reset. Then you want to press the power key to confirm. Scroll down to the yes option, then press the power key again to confirm that option. Then it's going to start wiping and deleting everything off the tablet. Next, we're going to scroll down to where it says wipe cache partition. Same thing, you want to press the power key to confirm. Then you want to scroll down to the yes option, then press the power key again. And once that is complete, you can go ahead and restart the device by pressing the power key, and it's going to restart the device and it's going to be on the setup screen. This concludes our tutorial for today. If you found this video helpful to you, make sure to hit the like and subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys for watching and for your support.